I'm gonna start on the roof with this beautiful rooftop pool right here. With the view over here, you got the view of the beach up here.
Overseas, couple G's and expenses. Gotta get it, I've been different since the entrance.
They say the early bird gets the worm, but I never sleep. So what does that make me? Successful, whether you love or hate me. It be them same ones get to talking about behind my back, then act like I'm crazy. Be them same ones who gon' end up worrying about their safety, whether you like it.
It's my boy Beethoven right here. He about to show us his crib over here on Pattaya Hill. So I'm gonna start on the roof with this beautiful rooftop pool right here. With the view over here, you got the view of the beach up here while you swimming. The weather isn't all that good today. The sun, it would look a lot better if the sun was shining, but yeah, it's a little cloudy, but look at the view though, still. You got like a, yeah, it's a panoramic view up here actually. You got this, look at this over here. You like Johnson Beach, going over here this way. Panoramic view up here though. We got the gym. Oh, you be up here, so it's a good gym though, man. Good gym. You got the treadmills. You got the bikes over here, elliptical. You got the bench over here. You want to get on that? I'm about to get a set in while you in here. You got a view of the ocean too over here too. The man's putting in work. Yes sir. Yes sir. Got the kitchen right here, man. It's a nice kitchen right here. The mini fridge. The stove over here. My man's got the wine.
They really tried to pull the wool over my eyes like I was a goofy. Like, so you see how they got the washer right here. Like I ain't know it was supposed to be a dryer right here, but they just got lazy and put the mini fridge.
Oh, okay, yeah, you got the washer over here.
Yeah, because you see I got a whole full-size fridge.
Yeah.
Right,
oh, so you got two fridges. Okay,
yeah.
so you got the refrigerator over here.
Yeah.
My man's got the dining room over here. There's the dining room table. Got the living room. Nice TV right there. Got a full-size refrigerator right here. And then
First bathroom.
oh, you got two. Oh, okay, so yeah, you got bathroom number 1 right here. Nice little simple bathroom. I like the fact that Thailand, they all got the rainfall shower mixed in there with the regular shower. Oh snap, we got a whole little. Oh, we got 2 living rooms up in here, people.
You don't really see that too often.
You know, this is my first time seeing it.
Yeah.
2.
We unique out here, so you know what I'm saying. We had to do something a little different.
A little different. My man's got a whole music studio up in here.
We got that thing running.
See what we got going?
So that's the Rode NT1 right there. That's for people like me. I need this joint because you know I got a low voice, so I need to make sure that joint pick up all the frequencies whenever I'm spitting.
Okay.
You know, and then over here we got the AT2035, the Audio Technica. You know, this one is more for everyday usage for all types of vocal ranges and different instruments as well.
Hey, my mixtape coming out soon, so y'all be ready for it. We got a balcony out here. It's got 2 balconies too, right? A second. Oh, it's the master bathroom right here.
Bigger,
Yeah. Got the master bathroom in here.
What we got where the magic happens?
No, we got where the magic happens at right here. We got the nice, man. It's a lot of space in here.
Yeah,
This
definitely very comfortable.
Yeah, this is a nice spot. What did you pay for this?
So I'm paying $18,000 for this one. $18,000 a month. So that's on a 6-month lease. So they told me if I had the year lease, then I would have had $16,000 a month. So actually, yeah, if you do the year, you usually get a little bit of discount.
Yeah, exactly. My man's got his closet space right there.
Yep.
So yeah, man.
Everything I need in here, you know.
We got another balcony right here.
Nice and spacious.
You got the view of Pattaya Hill. This will be coming up Pattaya Hill right here.
Yeah, big Buddha right up there.
Yeah, big Buddha over there. So you'll be Pattaya Hill. And so tell the people how long you been in Thailand, man.
So I just moved out here about 2 months ago, man.
Okay.
I've been living in China for the past 4 years before that.
Right.
Teaching English and then just working on my music as well. And yeah, man, just wanted a little bit of change of pace.
Right.
Everybody been dealing with the COVID situation for so long, you know what I'm saying? So I felt, you know, it was time for a change of scenery, change of location. So I had actually been out here before. In 2019, I came to visit for a couple of days, and I really loved it. You know, just a peaceful vibe, and just having, you know, the perfect weather, you know, all the open space, the beach, of course, the ocean, everything beautiful out here, man. And just the good vibes, man, all around. Like, it's just such a peaceful place for me. That's the number one thing. It's just like the peace, and then the low cost of living, and the just serenity, man.
You have what other countries have you lived in?
So I've only lived in America, China, and this is my third country that I've lived in.
Okay, how does Thailand compare to China?
You know, I don't really like comparing places when I go and visit different places. You know what I'm saying? Because everything has something good to offer.
Yeah,
and everything.
of course. That's
Every
how I
place
feel.
has something good to offer. I would say there's great parts of both places for sure. I mean, my favorite things about China, I would say, was definitely the low cost of living combined with the high income opportunities.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? And then just also having the ability to meet people from so many different parts of the world, because there's a lot of expats in China from all different countries of the world too. So you're not just meeting Chinese people, but you're also meeting people from Africa, all different parts of Africa, different countries in Africa, different parts of Europe, and just people from all over the world, different parts of Australia. Like, it's people from everywhere there.
Right,
so,
that's a fact.
Just having that diversity and being able to network with people and meet new people, having new experiences, that was really a great thing there.
That's a fact.
And yeah, I already told you what I love about Thailand, man.
Yeah,
just the peace,
the
and
peace.
The serenity is just the number one thing.
In China, how long did you live in China?
I was there for about 4 years.
4 years?
Yeah, since 2019.
Okay, and how long you planning on staying here? Until you decide to leave?
We'll see, man. You know, I'm working on this music stuff right now. That's what I'm really focusing on right now. That was part of the reason that I moved here as well, so I could put more focus and attention into that.
Okay.
And I just want to keep expanding, you know, growing my fan base, meeting and networking with new artists as well, and doing some collabs. I met some dope artists out here already as well. We got some events coming soon with LFP.
Okay.
So yeah, stay tuned for that, because we're gonna have a lit summer coming for y'all.
He DJing too, man. You when you come out here, you might catch him at your local party DJing as well.
Never know where we might be. We just started up Ladies Night at Players Club on Wednesday night. So yeah, make sure y'all come through for that every Wednesday night, Ladies Night, 9:30 until late. Players Club, that's on Soy Honey.
How would you describe the music that you make?
Music I make, it comes from the heart, man. It all comes from the heart. It all comes from experience and from a place of realness. I always try to make sure that I put reality into my music, because I want to make sure that it really connects with people and can maybe have some type of positive impact on people. So yeah, you can check the channel out on YouTube, Black Beethoven. Easy to find. BLACK, yeah, BAETHOVEN.
Yeah, I'm gonna pop it up for y'all.
Yeah, make sure you put that thing down there on the bottom of the screen, you know what I'm saying, for the people to check it out.
I got you.
We got some big things coming on the way. Got the new single on the way, March 20th.
Okay.
I don't know when this is going to be posted, but yeah, March 20th, we got the new single, Play It Cool. Make sure y'all get that on all streaming platforms, Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, Google, all of that, you know what I'm saying.
And what has been something valuable that you've learned since living in different countries?
Oh man, that's a great question. The best thing for me is just getting outside of your comfort zone.
Okay.
Definitely. It took a lot of courage for me to leave the first time, leaving from the States to come across to China. I ain't gonna lie, man. I was scared.
Really?
I was definitely scared.
A lot of people don't speak to that though. A lot of people don't speak to being nervous and going somewhere for the first time new, and you're not really, you don't know what to expect. Bro. Yeah.
I was terrified. I ain't gonna lie.
So how did you get over that?
It was just a day-by-day process, honestly.
Right.
That was really just the biggest thing, was just taking it day by day, taking it slow, and being willing and keeping an open mind, and being willing to accept new things and accept change. Because that's the biggest thing, is whenever you go into a new place, it's going to be change, you know what I'm saying? So you got to be willing to adapt and accept that change and submerge yourself in it as well.
Right. And would you say that was a great decision that you made?
Absolutely. Best decision of my life. Yeah. Absolutely. Best decision of my life. Definitely not looking back on that at all.
We got Songkran coming up. We gotta get our We gotta get our weapons.
I gonna shoot him.
Oh, she got the. Okay.
I make you wait first before you come out.
My boy Goku over here. Got Vegeta over here. What's that? Trunks 2,000 baht over there for Trunks. We trying to fill our house with all these like figurines right here, these anime figurines and stuff. I'm about to get me some green curry fried rice. See how that tastes. Look at how cheap this food is though, man. 60 baht, that's like $2. 50 baht, like $1.50, $2. It's like $2, $1, $2, man. This is very cheap food over here. All right, so I got my green curry fried rice right here. What you got?
Pad kapao gai.
Pad kapao gai. Spicy mac.
Really spicy.
Really spicy. What's this right here?
Pak boom.
Pak boom. So yeah, man.
Like really yummy. Not spicy.
Our total bill was like 250 baht. These were like $2 meals right here. So just to show you what you can get. So we're gonna get some fish massages right now. So it's 100 baht, no time limit. So about to do this real quick. See how it feels. It's going on right now. Oh nah. I don't know if I like this like that. I don't know if I'm a fan of this.
Are you okay?
Nah, I'm good on this. I think I'll pass on this. Look at Lucky Feet over there.
Are you okay?
I like it, I like it, I like it. Mm-hmm. Look nice. All right, y'all, so I got some guys that's in town. They left, but then they just came back, so we're gonna go out. I know I don't show you guys much of the nightlife scenes out here in Pattaya, because y'all know I be moving around. I really don't even be here like that, but I am going out tonight, so I'm gonna show y'all some scenes from Ebook Out. I'm gonna also show y'all some scenes from Walking Street on a Friday night, so you can see how it is in 2023, so let's go.
Yeah, look, tell me what's the vibes, what's the mood? Yeah, I just hit up Mikey for the juice. Yeah, ain't no capping, I'ma tell the truth. I've been winning for so long, it's hard to lose. Yeah, be my source, Christian like Dior. Yeah, I can't start when I'm far, just get back up. Yeah, I've been quiet all along on my TP toes. Yeah, I can't keep it to myself, I just give and go. I'm a visionist, yeah, you can't picture this. Yeah, ain't no way you cannot work me, boy, I live for this. Yeah, sipping essential, that's the essentials, I'm influential. Yeah, straight fundamental, that's fundamental, uninstrumental.
Overseas, couple G's and expenses. Gotta get it, I've been different since the entrance.